Complementary makeup for your eye color part 1, brown eyes. And of course, we need a color wheel. Ideally, you want to choose what's opposite of the color to make it pop. But since brown is neutral, congratulations if you have brown eyes, you can use literally any colors. With that being said, of course, there are a few colors that the professional MUA tends to gravitate towards. For light brown eyes, you can try minty color or even like a metallic shade to play with the golden tone that's in your eye. For rich brown eyes, try a jewel tone like emerald to deepen and emphasize the warmth in your eye. Second, blue. You can try a shimmery color or even a really contrast strong bold color. Teal and turquoise are also a great choice. And of course, gold, brown, bronze, copper, all these are literally made for you. These shades is great for highlighting and enhancing your natural brown eyes. Purple is also a great choice. You can try something like a deep eggplant color or even like a soft lavender color. Both of these will complement brown eyes. Last but not least, gray. Gray is actually a universal color, but it looks so good on brown eyes. Just remember, the cooler the shade you choose, the more your eye color will be highlighted. Follow me for more makeup content.